Let's start with exercise 5.7. Find the quotient orally. So children, you can see here all the question. Earlier we have done multiplication with the multiple of 10. Now how to do division with the multiple of 10. Look here, you are going to divide this with 10. In case of multiplication, we shift our decimal to right. But in case of division, we need to shift it towards left. At present, decimal is here. Only 1 0. Shift 1 digit. Decimal will come over here. So what will be the answer? 1.62. In this question, division with 3 zeros. At present, decimal is here. Shift 3 digits. 1, 2 and 3. Decimal will come over here. And before the decimal will write 0. Answer will be 0.1414. E part with 100, 2 zeros are there. See children, decimal at present it is here. We need to shift 2 digits. 1 digit is already there. So 1 more we have to write ourselves. So in this blank space, I wrote 1 more 0 and then decimal. Next, division with 10. Presently decimal is here. Shift it over here. It will come over here. Next, I part with 3 zeros. At present, decimal was here. Okay, and we need to shift 3 digits. 1, 2, no more digit is there. So write 0 zeros yourself. 1, 2. So total 3 digits are there and then you have to put decimal over here. K part, at present decimal is here. 2 digits you have to shift. 1, 2. So decimal will come over here. So I wrote it over here 0.16506. Second question, 4.8 divided by 20. Very important question children. See, division means I can write it in this way. In the next step, 48 divided by 20 was already there. Remove the decimal, what will come down? 10. Now what I did children, 48, 2 I kept separate and these 2 zeros I combined. Why? You will get to know. 48 can be divisible with 2. When you will cut it, you will get 24. See how to do cutting. 48 divided by 2. Take 1 digit 4. See, 2 2s are 4. Completely divisible. Then the next digit is 8. Now 2 4s are 8. What is the answer? 24 divided by 100. Now 2 digits are there. We have to need 2 zeros are there. 2 digits you have to leave and put the decimal. Same thing children. 0.84 upon 40. In next case, I remove the decimal. 2 digits are there. 2 zeros will come down. Now 84 divided by 4 I separated and these 3 zeros I combined. Now 84, how to divide with 4? Take 8, 4 2s are 8, completely divisible, then 4 1s are 4. What is the answer? 21 over 1000. 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3 digits you have to leave and then put the decimal. Next is this value, same thing I did, upon I wrote. Now remove the decimal, 2 digits, 100 will come. In the next step, I separated 2 and combined these 2 zeros, 4 zeros I separated. Now let us divide 32046 with 2. How to divide it children? Look here. First I will take 3. 2 1s are 2. So 3 minus 2. We got 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So in small letter you can write here 1. Now the next number has become 12. What it has become? 12. Now divide 12 with 2. What will you get? 6. 2 6 are 12. Clear? Completely divisible. Next is 0. 2 zeros are 0. Then next is 4. 2 2s are 4. And next is 2 divided by 6 is 3. If you don't feel comfortable with this, you can simply use this division 1 method. Clear? So after dividing this with 2, I got 16023 upon 4 zeros we are left with. Now leave 4 digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and put the decimal. G part, again I wrote this upon this value 400. Remove the decimal, 2 more zeros will come. So 848, 4 I separated, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros separated. Now divide 848 with 4. Simple division also you can do. Clear? When you divide it with 4, you will get 212 upon we are left with these many zeros. So 212, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many digits we have to leave? 1, 2, 3. So sorry, by mistake I wrote this. Cancel it. 2, 1, 2. Total number of zeros 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 0, and then decimal. This is your answer. Same thing, this upon 3000 I wrote, remove decimal of this, 3 zeros will come. Clear? Now numerator as it is, 3 I separated, count the number of zeros, 3 and 3 total 6 zeros are there. So beta, when you will divide this with 3, you will get 1111. 6 zeros are there, so 6 digit we have to leave. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are already there. 5, 6 and then put the decimal, then 0. K part, this upon this value. When you will remove the decimal, 10 will come. After that 1025, 5 I separated, total number of zeros 1, 2, 3, 4 separated. Now divide this number with 5. I divided over here. What is the answer? 205. Total number of zeros 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits you have to leave and then put the decimal. Exercise 5.8. Now division of decimal with decimal. Same procedure children. I wrote this number here upon here. Now let us remove the decimal. When you will remove decimal of numerator, only one digit 10 will come down. When you will remove decimal of denominator, only one digit is there, 10 will come up. Numerator's decimal, when you will remove, 0 will come down. When you will remove decimal of this, it will come up. Now 10 and 10 will get cancelled with each other. You got 4061 over 31. So I divided 4061 with 31. When you will divide it, your answer is 131. This is your answer. C part, 0.468 divided by 52. So I divided 468. I took the number because here no decimal is there. 468 divided with 52. Answer is 9. Clear? With 9 it will completely go. Now count the number of digits after the decimal. 1, 2, 3. 9 already there. Clear? 3 digits you have to leave. 1, 2, 3 and then put the decimal. Clear? This is your answer. E part, 8.64 divided by this. I wrote it in this way. Remove decimal of this number, 100 will come down. Remove decimal of this number, 100 will come up. Zeros, hundreds and 100 will get cancelled. You are left with 864 divided by 24. So when you will divide it, you will get 36. See, I took here 86, 24 3s are 72 because 23 with 4 it is 96 will be greater. So it will go with the table of 3. So when you will 6 minus 2 is 4, 8 minus 7 is 1. Take 4 here. 24 6 I multiplied over here. 24 6 144. So your answer is 36. G part, 1.25 divided by this. I wrote it in this way. Remove decimal of this 2 digits, 100 will come down. Here single digit, 10 will go up. So 1 0 will get cancelled with this. What you are left with? 125 divided by 25 and 100. Oh sorry, 10. Beta, when you will divide 125 with 25, you will get answer 5. So you can divide on the side. Clear? So 5 upon 10 is left over here. Now only 1 0. Leave one digit and put the decimal. That will be your answer. Now 0.216 upon this. Again the same procedure. Remove this decimal. 1, 2, 3. 1000 will come down. Remove this decimal. One digit only, 10 will come up. So you can see 1 0 will get cancelled. You are left with 216 divided by 6. I divided, what I got? 36. So this divided by this is 36 and 100 is already there. 2 zeros, leave 2 digits and put the decimal. K part, this is the value. Clear? This upon 412. Remove this decimal, 1000 will come. Remove this decimal also, 1, 2, 3, 1000 will come up. Both will get cancelled. Divide it with this, you will get 213. Beta, with this, your exercise 5 up to 5.8 exercise it is completed. And practice as many questions as you can. Okay? And maintain your notebooks. Thank you.